Di ba, kailangan kang pa-doktor, palakasin yung mga itlog mo dyan. Honey likes it. Honey likes it. Oh my God, he's such a baby.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Look at you over here. Look at it. Look. Hi, Baba, birthday. I'll give you dry food. You won't eat this, Bob. Look, you won't eat that. You know that? Look. Oh, Roxy. Look, Roxy, look.
The president had an opportunity to be compassionate, to be the nice man, a strong man with a nice man. If he had said about it, I had conversations with minority fans. I'm not getting away with the dreamers. They came here through no fault of their own. I'm going to enforce and get the pancakes.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Gutom na ako mga baby guys. Gutom sila guys. Gutom sila kahit pinakain ko na. Good morning guys! Good morning everything! Today, trabaho si Tami kahapon, diba? Uuwi siya ngayong araw kasi he wanna come home. Kumain sila. Kumain din yung isa. Good morning guys! So ngayon guys, it is Friday. It's Friday. Anyway, tomorrow is voting time. It's start voting doon. Kasi hindi si Tami makavote dito. Kailangan siyang mag-vote doon kasi doon siya narehistro sa kabila. So, doon sa New Rochelle, doon sa Westchester, gano'n. So, doon siya narehistro sana. So, tomorrow is Saturday. So, start voting. So, I don't know kung pupunta siya doon. Kung pupunta siya, sasama ako. So, tignan lang natin. Mag-usap kami. Nag-usap kami kayong umaga, pero hindi pa siya sure kung aalis siya bukas ng maaga. Umulan ngayong umaga. And din nanonood din ako sa panganganak ni Simply Race. Yun. Na-excited at nakaiyak. Mamaya na tayo kakain. It's 8 o'clock na pala. My God, para namang yung sa labas kasi. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras si Tami makarating dito kasi sabi pa niya pupunta daw siya sa Home Depot. 12:30 na guys. Wala pa tayong nagawa. Pero nakaligo na ako. Yun. Fresh na tayo. Si Tami wala. Patawagan ko nga siya kasi hindi ko alam ano nang ginagawa ni Mister. Tayo pahinga. Hindi ako masyadong nag-i-edit ngayong araw or lately kasi wala akong vlog. Hindi ako nag-vlog for a few days. Meron man akong vlog pero parang putol-putol ba. So, hindi talaga ako nag-vlog kahapon. Nag-vlog ako konti. Kanina pa ito, nagmamakaawang lumabas. Oh, kawawa naman. Mama, I just been playing. Baby. Nagmamakaawa naman. Come, let's go. Ang daming dahon, guys. Alam nyo, nanonood ako ng kay Race. Nakaka-excite, guys. Uy, nakaka-excite na, yung parang, oh my God. Yung mga pinapanood mo ba, nagkaroon na siyang anak. Nung sa Cebu pa siya na hindi pa siya nakapunta sa Australia, di ba? Yung mga simpleng tao, hindi artista, pero pinapanood mo yung buhay nila. Di ba, and then ngayon meron ng anak. Gusto ko tuloy magkaanak, yung talagang akin. Yun yung naramdaman ko. Gusto kong magkaanak na talagang akin. Alam nyo na, wala na talaga, di ba sinabi ko, gusto namin i-adapt yung pamangkin ko. Pero naisip ko, gusto kong magkaanak, pero ang mahal naman. Gusto kong magpaganon ba, katulad kay Riz. Kaso, ang mahal talaga guys. Alam nyo, ang laking tulong ng YouTube. I mean, I think pero namang pira yung lalaki ha, yung asawa ni Riz. Pero, yung YouTube talaga si Riz, malaki talaga yung tulong. Kaya nakapag-IVF sila. Sa Yunan ka na, mga 20-30,000 ang mahal talaga ng IVF, di ba? Yung YouTube talaga, di ba? Nakakatulong, nagkaanak ka pa. Di ba? So, na-excite ako, sabi ko, ay gusto kong magpa-IVF. Sabi ko kay Tami, kukunin natin yung investment. Ay, hindi man yun makuha lahat. Kukuha lang tayo ng konti para sa IVF. Pero naisip ko, kasi kung, di ba sabi ni Reyes, magpa-IVF ka, is kailangan magpa-check up ako. And then, kailangan okay yung mga ni Tami, di ba? And then, okay din yung sa akin. I think sa akin, okay. I think lang naman kasi wala naman akong naging problema. And then, yun yung ang problema. Kasi nagganon si Tami ni Guerrillo, diba? Mahina yung ano niya, yung sperm. Yun ba yun siya? Diba, kailangan kang pa-doktor, palakasin yung mga itlog mo dyan. Ganon. Kasi naisip ko, uy. And then, diba, na-ano nyo, na si Reyes sa kasi dalawang busy sila nag-try. The first one is fail. And then, the second one, ito na yun siya. Diba, may nakikita ka ng baby. Sabi ko na ano talaga ako, guys. Grabe. Blessings yun sa kanila. And they deserve it. And iba-iba naman yung life, diba? Naisip ko tuloy, iba-iba yung life ng tao, no? Iba-iba talaga. Yung iba, grabe, nagkaanak-anak na kahit walang makain. So, yun siya, guys. Kaya, doon ako, nanonood ako ng mga Instagram stories. Na ano ako, oy, grabe pala, no? Ang dami talaga nanonood kay Reyes. As in, ma-amaze ka ba? Ma-amaze ka. Noong nag-start ka pang nanonood sa kanya is 10,000, diba? Andun ngayon, ang grabe ng bongga. Pero guys, alam nyo guys, meron akong sasabihin ito, ha? Ano ito? Parang tea. Tea ba yun? Spill the tea. May mga ibang YouTuber dyan na tumaas yung mga number. Basta yun, meron akong pasabo, guys. Pag aabot tayo ng 100, alam kong aabot tayo, dahan-dahan, di ba? Dahan-dahan tayo, pero alam kong aabot tayo ng 100. May paniniwala naman ako sa mga nanonood. Alam kong aabot tayo dan, baka 20 years later. Baka 20 years later, aabot tayo ng 100,000 subscribers. Meron tayong pasabo. Meron lang akong gustong i-share. Yun yung promise ko na gusto kong i-share na chika minute. Chika minute. Yun lang naman. And yan, parang i-share ko lang ba, mga totoo pala yung mga story about sa mga YouTuber na mga kasabayan or yung ganon. And then tumaas yung number is naging nawala na parang bula. So, yun siya, guys. So, pag aabot tayo ng 100, meron tayong pasabog. Pero, I don't know kung aabot tayo ng 100. Pero, for sure, 20 years later, aabot tayo doon. Okay? Huwag tayong mawala ng pag-asa, guys. Karating na ni Tami, guys. Doon sa bathroom. Ako din katatapos. Oh, tingnan nyo. Bumili ng manamis-tamis na ito. Mahilig yan si Tami magbili ng ano, mga ganito. So, may pinabili. Sabi pa niya, nag-stop daw siya sa tindahan. Sabi ko, bili ka nito. Uy, bumili ng ano, oh. Itong si Tami talaga, oh. Look, basahin niyo. Delectables. Squeeze up. Oh my God. Tignan niyo yung pusa, guys. Itong si Tami, no. Loko-loko talaga itong si Tami. Kahit anong makita, basta sa mga alaga niya. Bumili na naman siya ng sweet potato. Ito yung pinabili ko sa kanya. Onion. Onion and ginger. Yung ginger, alam nyo guys, yung mga bread, ginger. Nilagay ko yan sa refrigerator. Hala, sabi ko, garlic din, and salad. Celery. Nakalimutan ko rin. So, kailangan ko ilagay talaga yung bread. Usually, yung bread, sabi pa, sa sister-in-law ko din, nilagay lang niya sa drawer. Sa, sa mga cabinets. Hindi daw yan ilalagay sa refrigerator. Pero alam nyo, sa tagal-tagal ko nang kasama itong biyanan ko, at saka si Tami, kasi mahilig yan magbili ng maraming bread. Na naka-refrigerator or naka-freezer sila, yung iba, kapag marami, matagal siyang masira talaga, as in. So, yun. Kaya, kapag nasa labas, mag-mold agad siya. May mga green na lalabas. So, yun yung kakaano talaga kapag hindi mo ilagay sa refrigerator. I think I'm going to defrost. Nag-defrost na ako ng ano, guys, ng lamb, para mamaya. Nag-defrost ako. Ito na siya. to i-harvest natin ito, guys. Okay, let's harvest. I-harvest natin. Okay, harvest natin. Okay. First, naka-harvest na po tayo, guys. Dito. Ilagay ko ito sa salad ni Tamimoy. Yun. So, ang gagawin ko, ilabas ko ito. Kasi kailangan kong kunin yung puno. Tapos, lagyan natin ng bulaklak. Yung totoong bulaklak plant. Yan. Kanin. Oh my God, hon. She is crying, honey. She is crying. She's calling you. She's like, Dada can't even use the bathroom. She's happy, hon. She's happy. Look at how happy she is. Yeah. They don't want you to go to the bathroom. Why you do that, Roxy? Because Dada always go out. Mama just always sitting down, not let you out. Is that what it is? Mama doesn't let you out, right? And Dada always, yeah. She wants. I'm gonna send Dada back to New Rochelle. Dada, go back to New Rochelle. Tommy said, what if?
Mama takes some out of me.
She's like waiting for you, honey. Look. Dada want coffee. You want coffee, Ross? Mama's gonna go out. Roxy doesn't care about me, honey, when you're home.
I think coffee would get me out.
She said, Dada, I see you get donut.
That's what she's waiting for.
Dada, I see you get donut. Oh my God. He is home. My baby's home. So how's the traffic? Me, I am done outside. I get rid of the tomatoes. Don't give them anything, please, because it's dinner time soon. Look, somebody's get excited, guys. My God. Look, look, look. Look. Is that what it is? It is it that was. Look at their tail, guys. That's how they are when there is food around.
So whatever it is, I want it.
Look at their tail. I'll open it. Get down.
Oh, you don't want to run around the yard looking for squirrels? Oh,
She's looking at your donut. That's why they love him, guys. Okay, ito na yung last harvest. Ito siya. And then, ito. And then, itwa. Mga kamatis natin, yan. And then, ito siya, yung dito sa loob ng bahay, diba? Nahinugan tayo. I-ano ko to sa salad ni Tamimoy. Abs, Dada have a very special treat for you. Squeezy tube treat. Come. Okay, I wanna see. Hey, Dada have something for you. No, he said, I don't like that. I'm not a baby anymore. No, he's gonna be dripping it.
A little on his nose, so he has to lick it off. Lipstick on his nose.
Stick a little bit. There you go. Not over there, Dems. Come here, Dems. Hoy, get out. You're not allowed here. Get out. Get out. Can't tell her out. Out. Roxy. Look, she just rubbed you.
Part of it. You're gonna hide over here.
Ala, sorry. Sorry. Honey, you're wasting it $2. Look, she's hiding.
Go ahead and try. You make him afraid of it, you do that.
Okay, it's right here. Okay, come here. Come here. Look, 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 look.
No.
Told you. Look, I told you he likes it. But he doesn't wanna be fed like a baby, hon. He doesn't wanna be hand fed. You want more? It's right here. Look, 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 look. Look. Hold on, hold on. Like si Ani. Debs. Honey, you have to squish more. Come here. Get it. It's a treat, hon. Now he won't like eat dinner now.
It's just trees.
Squeeze more. He can eat like a pig. Look. Squeeze. Keep squeezing while doing that. It hurts him. Dimple's afraid, guys. He likes it. Okay, that's it.
I said there's no more. Just
No
what's on
more.
the outside of the pack. You would eat the back.
Oh my
Think
god.
there's another drip in it. Oh, look. Yeah, a little bit of it.
Honey likes it. Honey likes it. Expensive
That was it. That's a
trips.
treaty.
Expensive dimples hiding, guys. Look. Lamb is in the oven. Oh, the micro. Oven. I'm ready for my citizenship. Hindi pa ready, guys. Hindi pa ako ready. Ang ginawa ko is nag-study ako, guys. I've been studying for 2 days already using app sa citizenship kasi parang kailangan ko na, guys. Kasi yan, basta sabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit bukas. I don't know kung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Hindi ako sure. Hindi, basta tingnan natin kung kasi may rason, guys, nagmamadali ako. Kasi basta i-explain ko sa inyo bukas. Bukas ko na-explain, guys, kasi hapon. It's already almost 6 o'clock hapon na. Pero yun, ipakita ko sa inyo, ilagay ko dito yung kung gusto naman nyo kayo mag-apply ng citizenship, ilagay ko dito yung app na ginagamit ko. So, ito yung app. And then, ang ginawa ko is, ilagay mo yung state, kasi pa iba-iba naman yung state, diba? So, iba-iba yung representatives, ganon, senators, ganyan, ganon. Basta iba-iba. So, kailangan ilagay nyo yung states. May mga instruction naman doon. Pero, ang nakaano lang is, kailangan kang magbayad ng $3-something kung gusto mo na walang advertisement. Pero hindi ako nagbayad, guys, kasi hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Itong app na to, guys, madali kang matuto. So, hindi ko na kailangan kasi may time pa naman ako. Hindi na ako magbayad ng wala. Kasi ang daming advertisement talaga sa app na to. So, yun. So, ready na ako. And kasi may pinag-usapan kami ni Tami. Basta explain ko sa inyo bukas kung bakit. Kasi, alam nyo na. Anyway, napasok yung kamay ko. Palagi na lang ako napapasok kapag on yung oven or something nagluluto ako. Kailangan ko talagang mapasok every time na may gagawin ako. But anyway, so yun. Nag-study. Ang saya, guys, kasi parang addictive siya. Addictive na nag-study ako kung ano yung mga questions and stuff. Sumakit yung ko dito. Ewan ko kung bakit sumakit. Kain lang kami, guys. Gusto kong kumain ng lamb, pero you know what? I rather eat salmon. Salmon. Kaya mo ba to? He is doing something. And, let's see kung ano ginawa niya. Doon siya sa basement. Nasa basement. Bantayan natin lang. No light. What are you doing, honey?
I'm taking like the figures and stuff, put them up there because.
Look at that. You buy more?
No, I told you. Those are the ones I told you had all gotten.
You want me this light off? Light off?
No, I'm taking the stuff out of garden because we're gonna get a cook show.
You move my thing over there?
What the?
Ay, why you do that?
It won't freeze. This stuff won't.
No, that dog thing, leave it there.
The dog thing, I'm not touching.
Just leave it there.
If it freezes, it freezes.
It's not gonna be freezing it. There's no snowing. No, that one has been here, so you're just like it's been here for a long time, and now suddenly you're worried. Seriously. Meron siyang mga dala sa sasakyan, guys. Alam niyo ba? Sabi ko, tignan natin kasi. Meron siyang dala eh. Kasi may siya eh. Ay, hindi pala close. Akala ko kinulos niya. Ano to? Wala ko. Oh my God. Itong si Tommy talaga. Patayin natin yung light. Honey, why you...
A little more funny the second time than it was the first time.
Listen to
I
me.
think that's funny.
Why you bring that furniture? That's garbage, hon.
That cabinet?
Yeah, why?
That's a good cabinet.
No, why you bring it?
Why not?
It's already 10 o'clock in the evening. Nagti kami ng medicine dalawa. Ganyan, ito yung routine namin every night. Before going to bed. Binigyan niya ako ng drops. Drop din siya. So yun, iinan namin itong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Naglalaway ako. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night.
You know what interested?
Look at him. This girl, he just want you to be there and touch him.
Not interested. You're not interested. You don't care about treaties.
Oh my God, he's such a baby. He is such a baby. He is such a baby.
Hey guys.
Cute face. Oh, what is that? What is that, boy? I love you. Boo-boy. Okay, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.